Vitamins and minerals are essential nutrients. Our bodies need them to function properly. They are like tiny workers, each with a specific job. These jobs include boosting our immune system, strengthening our bones, and converting food into energy. We get most of our vitamins and minerals from the food we eat. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, usually provides all the nutrients we need. However, sometimes our diets fall short. This is where multivitamins come in. They act like a backup plan, providing a concentrated dose of essential vitamins and minerals. Think of them as an insurance policy for your health. While there are many vitamins and minerals, some are considered especially important. These are often called essential because our bodies cannot produce them on their own. We must obtain them through our diet or supplementation. These essential nutrients include vitamins A, C, D, E, and K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and zinc. Each plays a crucial role in maintaining our health. For example, vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Iron is a key component of red blood cells, responsible for carrying oxygen throughout our bodies. Understanding the roles of these essential vitamins and minerals helps us appreciate their significance in our overall well-being. When our bodies lack certain vitamins or minerals, we may experience a range of symptoms. These symptoms act as warning signs, signaling that something is amiss. Recognizing these signs early on is crucial for addressing deficiencies promptly. Fatigue, for instance, can be a sign of iron deficiency. Pale skin can also indicate low iron levels. Hair loss may be a symptom of several deficiencies, including iron, biotin, or zinc deficiency. Brittle nails, on the other hand, are sometimes linked to iron or biotin deficiency. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. It also plays a vital role in supporting our immune system, helping our bodies fight off infections. One of the most noticeable signs of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. This means having difficulty seeing in dim light. Other symptoms include dry eyes, frequent infections, and dry skin. In severe cases, vitamin A deficiency can lead to vision loss. Therefore, addressing this deficiency is crucial for preserving our eyesight and overall health. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. When the body lacks iron, it cannot produce enough hemoglobin, leading to iron deficiency anemia. This condition is characterized by a lack of oxygen-rich blood, resulting in fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Other signs of iron deficiency include pale skin, brittle nails, and hair loss. Pregnant women, young children, and people with heavy menstrual periods are at higher risk of developing iron deficiency. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies can produce it with exposure to sunlight. It plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is essential for strong bones. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to weak bones, increasing the risk of fractures. In children, severe vitamin D deficiency can cause rickets, a condition that affects bone development. Beyond bone health, vitamin D also impacts our mood and immune system. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency include fatigue, muscle weakness, and depression. Spending time outdoors and consuming vitamin D-rich foods can help maintain adequate levels of this essential nutrient. Treating vitamin and mineral deficiencies typically involves increasing the intake of the deficient nutrient. This can be achieved through dietary changes, supplementation, or a combination of both. For instance, iron deficiency can be addressed by consuming iron-rich foods like red meat, leafy green vegetables, and beans. Vitamin D deficiency can be improved by spending time outdoors, consuming fatty fish, and taking vitamin D supplements. In some cases, a healthcare professional may recommend high-dose supplements to correct severe deficiencies. The best way to obtain essential vitamins and minerals is through a balanced and varied diet. Each color group of fruits and vegetables offers a unique set of nutrients. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are packed with iron, vitamin K, and folate. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are excellent sources of vitamin C. Dairy products and fortified plant-based milk alternatives provide calcium and vitamin D. Lean meats, poultry, and beans are good sources of iron and B vitamins. By incorporating a variety of these foods into our meals, we can nourish our bodies with the essential vitamins and minerals they need. Vitamins and minerals are the unsung heroes of our health, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our bodies functioning optimally. While they may be small, their impact is mighty. Prioritizing our intake of essential vitamins and minerals is crucial for maintaining overall health, boosting our energy levels, and preventing chronic diseases. By adopting a balanced diet, considering multivitamins when necessary, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, we can empower ourselves to live healthier, more vibrant lives.